Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martin Lucas. Welcome to the show. I go live every morning for the opening and closing bell. Everything you see here is, I've just realised we might have a slight issue right now. Just bear with me a second. I think we may have an issue. Just bear with me a second. This may show or not, I don't know. Yes, it is. I don't know if this is going to work or not. All right, we have a slight technical issue right now. I'm just trying to think how best to fix it. Okay. Might not be able to. Okay, we are what we are right now. That might pose a few issues. Anyway, I apologize for that. Welcome to the show. Everything you see here is real and live. This is my real live positions, my real live shares. How are you, Robbie Cooper? I'm very well indeed. I've just realized we're streaming into a higher resolution. This was set for recording, and we may have a few glitches throughout the show. I don't know, but we shall see. What's broke? We are streaming in ultra 4K. I don't think the system can cope with that. At least Twitch will not be able to cope with that. Anyway, we'll see what happens when we get into it, but I doubt if we'll be able to run for very long. Might have to end the stream in a second. Anyway, as you can see today, we popped all the way up and we dropped all the way down, okay? I said this could come back down. We could, it's not a bull trap unless you bought in on the way up, of course. I think it will come back up again. Twitch will buffer. It most certainly will. At this level, it will, most certainly. Let me go and have a look at Twitch right now. We might have to turn Twitch off today. It might struggle with this. It's holding at the moment, but I doubt if it will last for long. What a rug pull on the market. Yes, indeed. Very, very difficult day today, as you can see. Let's get straight into the trading position. See where we are right now. You can see Joby Aviation went up and back down. I'm not worried, though. I actually bought Google on the way down. We're trying to hold green, though. This could easily pop back up again. I used it as an opportunity. I always see opportunities in red days, guys. We had a great day today, and I think it will return. I'm not worried. I bought Google at the bottom here. Look, bought some more. I've now got 10 shares. It's not cheap enough to buy any more, but the way I look at this right now is an opportunity to get some discounted shares. All right, I see it as an opportunity to get some discounted shares because the fact it popped up like this shows sentiment that people are trying to buy in, but they are taking profits. But I do think that Google, if you look at Google right now, definitely red days are always great to see. I mean, opportunities to get back in again when it bounces back. Slightly down now after being 6,000 up this morning. Yeah, I'm not worried at all. I see this as an opportunity to. We've had 5 weeks of it being up. 5 weeks, or 6 weeks. So if you look at Google over the year, we've now got a stock split, which is good for the stock. Look, it's the lowest it's been for a year. It's up and it's virtually down again. It's lowest point for a year. And if you pan out for 5 years. Look, Google just turned green again. I've just bought some more. I think it's time. I don't see an issue with Google going down today at all. So I'm not worried about it at all. It's 0.97 down today. Oh, sorry, down 2.68. I'm down 9.3. I just bought some more. Here's the Queen of Self-Braiding. All right, let me make you a moderator now, and I'll explain why. And what we sorted out, me and the Queen of Self-Braiding. Add moderator, here we go. Okay, the Queen of Self-Braiding is now a moderator for your channel. I think space will be higher in earnings, which is all that really matters. Indeed it is. Market profit. Apple is good proxy for volatility. My VIX technical analysis shows a breakout starting tomorrow. It has coiled over the last 3 weeks. Either we crash or we rocket ship to the moon and we are overbought. Okay. Well, I like the other version. Now I see why my text has gone smaller now. It's because we've changed the resolution. Now I understand a few things. That makes sense. Okay, ignore me, folks. I'm just looking at a few things. We're actually over streaming today in Ultra 4K. That's why things are looking a bit odd. Virgin Galactic went up, but now it went down a little. Yep, Google is the time to buy in. I'm no doubt about it. I picked up some more. I'm down nearly 1%. I'm going to buy, because I see my ad revenue going up now. I see my ad revenue going up, and that's YouTube is owned by Google. And I see people starting to buy back in, increasing their ad spend soon. So I see Google at a great position now. So I'm going to buy 2 shares of Google. All right. Review order. Oh, hang on. Limit order. No, we want to change that. Let me refresh the screen. A second. The Apple mass layoff is a good indicator of mega cap health. Some dangerous levels right now. It's too hot in the UK. We're just refreshing our screen a minute. We're trying to get back into Google, or at least buy some more of Google. There's Canoe, G-O-E-V. Let's bring back Google a second. We are having some glitches today. I don't know what's quite going on, but anyway. Let's have a look. Right. Buy Google. I want to buy 2 shares of Google. Review the order. Down 0.72. Right. Done. Down 0.62. Okay. That'll do. I'm happy with that. Down 0.62. I think that's going to come up now in the final hour of the day. Thank you, Market Profit, for the update. The Apple mass layoff is a good indicator of mega cap health. Some dangerous levels right now. It's too hot in the UK. William Caron, advertising spending is one of the first things companies cut in a downturn. Exactly, they've already done that. So I think that's why Google is now split. It's down at a year low. It's got every reason now to go up because things are improving. We will see inflation peak. We will see people start to promote their businesses again. I've already seen it on my Google and my YouTube analytics. My YouTube analytics have started to improve. And right, now then, once everybody comes in, I'm going to give you a little update on the Queen of Self-Braiding is here, what's happened, what we've done, and so on. That's why the stock market sold this afternoon. Apple announced biggest layoff in over 15 years. Well, there you go. Not good. Not good, but I also don't mind companies when they lay off. It makes them more profitable. Potentially, if they can be more efficient. Certainly in Tesla's case, that's what they were doing. They were becoming more efficient. Anyway, let's have a look at Apple right now. Here's Amazon, and now look at Apple. Apple's returning now, though. My love to you all. Right, let's see how many people are here, and we'll have a quick discussion about what happened to Queen. Right, hang on a minute. We've not got everybody subscribed and ringing the bell. We've got a few new viewers this afternoon. Let us know you're here and give us a thumbs up as well. Give us a thumbs up. I've only got 7 likes. What's going on? Check all the screens. Yep, we're all good around the studio. All looking good today. If you've just arrived, smash the like button. Let us know you're here. There's the back of the studio. Let me go and change the camera angle a second. Let me go and change that. That's better. Okay. Apple is coming back up now. I didn't buy any more Apple. I've got a really big position as far as my diversity to my portfolio is concerned. But I bought some more Google. Anyway. Joby, this is your opportunity now to get in if you like it. I'm not in it right now. But I just thought I'd show you it popped back down again. This might be interesting for you if you like this stock. But anyway, the portfolio is on a wash right now. But like we've said, look, over 3 months, you can see, look, the portfolio is up. Sorry, over 1 month, I beg your pardon. Over 1 month, we're up 12.5%. We were up 16, 17%. But that's still really, really good over 3 months, considering that the markets are in a really bad state right now. I am up 12%. So I think the markets will bounce back now. And as you can see, they already are starting to. So what I've done is I've used the opportunity to buy some more Google. And since I did, it's starting to come up. And now I've got a position pretty much now as much as I ever need. Just a question from R. Let's have a look. Are you focused on dividend stocks or all forms of stocks? All forms of stocks. Not just dividend stocks at all. No, all forms of stocks. And not only that, but also some crypto. I made money on Ethereum. I'm out of it right now. I see it going all the way down, so I'm out of it. Bitcoin, I also made money on Bitcoin. I'm out of it now. I have a very small position, 19,000. I'm never going to sell it at this position until I need to retire. And I am looking to... margin call, Arnold is here. And Bitcoin is up at 1.99 at the moment today, but I am looking to buy it as it goes back down. But I do hold 11 Bitcoin SV, Satoshi Vision. I I own 11 of those. And again, I won't buy any more if it goes down, and I won't sell them either. So there's my situation. Enphase Energy has had a great day. And I really think if you don't get into solar stocks now and energy saving stocks and EVs right now, then you never will. Because with the world on fire, literally, and global warming literally now right here, this is the time. If there was ever a time to tell you to invest in these companies, then I don't know what does. This is going to force companies now to start accelerating the EVs, accelerating the solar, accelerating the wind. We are now at the 12th hour, the 11th hour, and things are going to get a lot worse. So, anyway, Bill sent in his picture today of his mug. So, here we go. We now have Bill on the screen. Let's have a little look at it. I think we can all see it here right now. Here it comes. Bill, you're on the screen. Where did I put you? There you go. There he is. Who can see Bill with the day trader screen behind him? Can you see that? Just there, look. It's all back to front for me. I have to like, which way does my hand go? It's like, there, look. There's Bill with his day trader mug. Fantastic. Thank you very much, Bill, for sending that in. Appreciate it a lot. Looks great. Good picture, by the way. Really came out great. Perfect. Thank you. Try to focus on dividend stocks, but purchase thank you. I try to focus on dividend stocks, but purchase also other non-dividend. Yes. Well, I have a very strict plan. When my portfolio gets to 200,000, which it will next year. It will next year. I don't have really any doubt about that whatsoever. And you might go, well, you're only at 36,000 now. How are you going to get to 200,000? I do think that by next year, at the end of next year, I will start moving more and more into dividends. And that has already started. That's already started. I'm already 6 months ahead of that plan. Rio Tinto. I have 30 shares of Rio Tinto. 13% high dividend stocks. VU. 20% of my 18.62% of my portfolio is in VU. That pays a dividend. Quite a bit of my stocks pay dividends. So, yes, I am in that as well. Dexter Sickles, good afternoon. Dexter, I wanted to confirm with you today, are you, hang on a minute, are you by any chance, just opening this up, are you by any chance, taking a second to open it, hang on. Are you Chris Patterson? And that sounds silly. You're called Dexter Sickles. But are you Chris Patterson? Is anybody here Chris Patterson? Because somebody set up their Cash App, and I thought it was one of you. You may have used a different name. You're waiting to receive your £5 or $5 bonus. You just need to do one more action, and if it's you, I'll tell you what you need to do. Do you have any suggestions which stock we should purchase in relation to energy companies? Yeah, absolutely. This one, Enphase Energy. It's what I've got here. I've got 6 shares of it. And if you look at it, it's solar. And this is going to accelerate now. It has to accelerate. The other day it dropped 10% in one day because a government bill said they're not going to back solar. And it went straight back up and is accelerated because you can't stop it now. We have to go to solar. We have to go to wind. The bloody world's on fire. We can't keep burning coal. How many more times? Right? So stuff like this is great. Now, if you look at this, Enphase Energy, it is actually up 25,000%. So if you want an energy stock, for me, no brainer. It's not oil, it's not gas, it's solar. Simple. The sun is the most powerful thing that we have. Anyway, I have 28 shares in RIA and will keep adding monthly. That's exactly what I'm doing, Queen. I have 30 shares now, and my dividends are already set to reinvest. Okay. So Dexter, are you here again? I think we seem to have lost you again. I don't know if that was you. Are you that person on Cash App, which was Chris Patterson? I'm trying to confirm who that person was. I thought it was one of you guys. Anyway, so now everybody's here, at least here on YouTube. A couple of things. First of all, I'm not on TikTok at the moment. I got banned this morning. I'll hopefully be back on again tomorrow, but we'll see. I've had to learn a few things the hard way today. If you get people I am not Chris Patterson. I know your name is Dexter. I understand, but sometimes people use a different name. Okay, I just wanted to be absolutely clear because I thought you were setting Cash App up. That's why I asked. All right. Great. I will definitely look into Enphase Energy. Thank you. I appreciate your advice. Not at all. You're very, very welcome. Now, we give away a cash prize. We have 3 cash prizes on Friday. We have cash prize giveaways all the time. Okay, if you want to be part of our cash prize giveaway, here is our email newsletter. It's free to enter, free for all. I've been the box truck all day. I was teasing you. What do you mean? I don't know what you mean. Here is the invitation for our weekly newsletter. It's free to enter, free for all, and we've got 3 cash giveaways in it this week. When you click on that link, it'll bring you to this page here, and all you do is put your email in, verify your email. Now, because we do cash giveaways, the email often goes into spam, so just go into your junk folder and look for this email, which is in the About section of this channel, thedaytrader@martynlucas.com, and every Sunday it comes out and you can get our weekly newsletter. It's free to enter, it's free for all, and we got 3. We've got 2 cash giveaways, and we also have the Twitch giveaway as well now. If you are a YouTube Prime member, here is our Twitch account. Subscribe to us on Twitch. It's free if you associate it with your Amazon account. It's free. And every first Friday of the month, we do a giveaway. Sometimes cash, sometimes prizes. Every month, first Friday. We're doing it this Friday for a mug, and it is free to enter, free for all. And if you are a subscriber and if you use Amazon, it's free. You don't pay anything. It supports the channel and enables me to give you giveaways. So it's a win-win for everyone. Just not so good for Amazon. About the Chris Patterson thing, I'm not him, but I am hot and sweaty and I'm exhausted. We know it's terrible, right? Sorry if it came out abrupt. Not at all. Didn't come out abrupt at all. I understand, Dexter, there's 14 screens, a lot going on. I'm doing a million things at once. So I love my family, I love all of you, and no problem at all. Right. What happened this morning? The Queen of Self-Braiding. Guys, we need more moderators on here and on TikTok to help us. Okay, because this morning we had trouble with somebody on TikTok, and we need more moderators. So basically, guys, if you are a moderator, what happened this morning? The Queen of Self-Braiding came into the show, except it wasn't her. She was hacked, and she's messaged me. She was hacked. Someone came in, pretending to be her, and started to delete accounts. So we removed her from a moderator. I've now added her back because since then she has updated her password and turned on second factor verification. I strongly recommend everyone do that. I do that for absolutely everything. I know it's a pain in the arse having to use Google Authenticator to sign in, but once you've done it, it's done. It protects your account, and it also protects my account, because if you get hacked and you're a moderator, you can actually damage our account. So just to let you know that we do need more moderators, because we're getting more people to say silly things, and because of that, we do actually need to improve our security. All right? I just heard you say my name, Dexter said, and I ran to the phone. Is the Queen back? Yeah, she's back. She's back. She's in here. This is the real her. She's not deleting people. She's all good. She's updated her email and a password, and she's also turned on two-factor authentication. So recommend everyone do that. You cut out here. I can't hear you. Yes, Twitch has a problem today because I'm streaming in far too higher frequency. I'm actually broadcasting in ultra 4K today, which is extremely difficult for Twitch to handle. There's nothing I can do about it, I'm afraid, Arnold. Get the mug, Ali. Got the mug, Ali. Thanks. There he goes. This is the picture that we have now for Bill. I am expecting the markets to come up again right now. I bought some more Google when it dipped, so I have no issue with this at all. Nice to have you back, Queen, and not blocking people. Yeah. Yeah, it's brilliant, isn't it? There you go. There is Bill, just there, look. Why am I struggling to do this? There you go. It's like all back to front, inside out. There's Bill. Okay. There's Bill. See him? It's like my hand's all back to front. There, look. It's so weird. I've got to do my hand like that. Anyway, there we go. It's like everything's the opposite. It's like, why can I not point? There you go. Just there, right? All right. Thank you, Bill. That was harder than it looked, I tell you. I hope you like your mug, mate. Yeah, thank you. Right, Joby coming back up again. My portfolio's coming back up again. Don't fire me, please. Yeah, shall we fire her? Ali who? Vanguard S&P is coming back up again now. Virgin Galactic, it's all coming back up again into the after hours. And I think the after hours will do well. All right. I think we've had an overreaction today. We had a bit of a rinse out, bit of a bull trap, if you call it that. It's only a bull trap if you buy it. It's not a bull trap if you don't. So I'm not at all worried about it. Anyway, Rivian is up. Lucid's up and going back up. Polestar, I'm not worried about this one at all. This is early days. Arrival, up 0.34. Amazon is going up again today. That's good. Apple was down for a while. It's trying to push back up. I'm not really in a position to... back on TikTok. No, I am banned for 24 hours. Unfortunately, I got banned 15 minutes into the show, so I won't be on tomorrow morning until 15 minutes in. Now, guys... You may have seen we have, if you hold to the end of the show today, you'll be automatically taken on to the pre-show tomorrow. The pre-show tomorrow. We have some new shows coming up. We are now moving into earnings season, folks. Earnings season. So, yeah, my moderators on TikTok let me down. They wasn't here, so they it's all your fault. I blame all of you. So, listen, tomorrow morning... Look at this. Johnson & Johnson earnings. We're going to go early tomorrow morning. We're going to go early by 15 minutes tomorrow morning. We're going to go early. Tomorrow morning, 15 minutes earlier than normal. Then we've got, after the closing bell, we've got Netflix. We are now moving to earnings season. We're going to be going like 20 hours a day. It's a very, very busy time for me. Hopefully we can do it. But anyway, let me give you the Johnson & Johnson one so you can all like it and share it. Now, we are starting to get really big numbers now for our earnings reports. We had 6,000 the other day for the FOMC. It's our biggest stream by about 1,000,000%. So tomorrow morning is Johnson & Johnson. And it'll run for half an hour or so. And then we'll end and go into opening bell. So, or it might just flow straight through. Depends. Sometimes I break it and start it again. It depends. Depends on different things. But anyway, so tomorrow morning, this is Johnson & Johnson. There we go. If you want to go and like it now, give it a like and share it. Put it on your social media. Let's try and get a nice audience. So we're going to be 15 minutes early tomorrow. I've put it in the chat. Now, if you've not yet joined me for an earnings report, basically what happens is we go live and we listen in to the earnings. I don't actually say anything. We just listen in. Obviously, I talk before it starts, but once it starts, then we just listen in. So if you want to go and like that, it's in the chat for you. Okay. Did we get any more subscribers today on Twitch? Remember, it's free. If you're an Amazon Prime member, it is free. Even if you never go there, you don't ever have to watch. Just subscribe to me on Twitch, and you will get the draw every Friday, every first Friday of the month for free. Okay, you don't ever have to do anything. All you got to do is subscribe and use your Amazon account, and you'll get the free draw. Okay, Vanguard S&P is trying to push back up again. Virgin Galactic tried for a while and dropped back. Virgin Orbit, I've got a buy-in at 325, so I'm waiting for that. Tesla is going back down again. I'll sub for $7.99 a month. You don't need to pay, Paul. It's free if you're Amazon. Of course you're an Amazon. Everyone's an Amazon Prime, aren't they? Anyway. Hello, Alicia. Hello, Paddy. How are you? Okay. Lucid's coming back up now. You are back ordered. Yeah, he's back ordered. He's back ordered forever. He's never going to get it, right? Arrival. Oh, by the way, do you remember when I first said that I'd put this tie on in respect of the war in Europe? I thought the war would be over by now. I thought the war would last a month or two. It's been coming. Is it coming up to a year soon, isn't it? No, it's like 7 or 8 months, isn't it? Flipping heck. Anyway, I thought it'd be over by now. Those poor people of Ukraine. Apple going sideways. Let's have a look right now. Robinhood going sideways a little bit. McDonald's is going down. Never worry about McDonald's. I'm not worried about that at all. I'm still up 3%. Coca-Cola is down 1.48. Johnson & Johnson. Johnson & Johnson now. What's happening with Johnson & Johnson? Johnson & Johnson is earnings tomorrow morning. Look at this. It's selling off right now. Buy the rumour, sell the news. We all believe the rumour is everyone's earnings is going to be down. So, do you think that these stocks are at the bottom or are they going to crash? Now, Johnson & Johnson is the first big one tomorrow morning. It's in our earnings report tomorrow. We already have 4 likes. Mike is the first to comment on it. Thanks, guys. There you go. Look, 4 likes. Brilliant. There it is in the morning. If you click like, you'll be reminded. Click reminder, notification, and you'll be reminded. We're going 15 minutes early tomorrow morning. 15 minutes early for the earnings of this one. And it'll be interesting to see what happens. It'll be the start of all of this, a run. We've got like about 20 earnings reports that we are particularly interested in. So you can see Johnson & Johnson is now selling off. Now, if the earnings reports aren't as bad as we thought they were, then we'll get a nice bounce tomorrow. If they're worse, obviously, it could go down a lot more. So normally, you get stocks go up for an earnings and then sell off. Well, it's going down. It's in the morning. This is the last chance. This could be a sell-off so you could buy in and make a profit. I have really enough of that I need from this stock. So I'm not really looking to buy anymore. Anyway, you decide. But look, all the stocks are going down now into the last half an hour of the day. And then we've got Netflix tomorrow night. I don't currently have Netflix, but it's an earnings report people tune in for on my channel, so I will cover Netflix tomorrow night. Walmart has pulled back. Target has pulled back. It's on a wash right now. We've got all those dividends as well. Tesco's got dividends. Canoe, GOEV coming back up again. On. Now, Tilray Brands had a good day today, as did Rolls-Royce, up 3.6. I'm still 7% away. Still no good for me to sell it. It will get there. I just don't know when. Anyway, we're turning red again now because our big earnings reports start in the morning. It all starts in the morning. Now, how many likes have we got on the show right now? It's coming up to 1:30. We need to do a quick little break. So I'm going to smash the interval. Insert the ad. There you go. Just taking a short break. All right. Okay, here we go again. Ali, no cooking today. Went to McDonald's for milkshake and ice cream. Very nice. Very nice, Ali. Very nice indeed. Okay, we're still going down. We're now down 0.3. If you've just tuned in and you're watching on the repeat, folks, we're getting ready for the earnings report tomorrow morning with Johnson & Johnson, then Netflix, all the big companies are going to report in the next couple of weeks, and we're going to cover all the main ones and all the ones that we invest in, most importantly. Subscribe, ring the bell, give me a thumbs up, let us know you're here. That'd be great. And smash the like. Everything is dropping behind. It's very hard to control when everything is running behind. Here we go. So we're watching now. Joby went back down again. I'm down 0.5%. Am I worried? Should I be worried? I'm not worried. The most important thing I'm looking at is setting up my Google position. We've got Google reporting soon as well. Google reports in July 26th. Little way off for that one. A week away for that one. But that a lot of it tomorrow will hinge on what Johnson & Johnson does, and then then Netflix after hours. That will really send a signal. Yeah. It's hot, so milkshake and ice cream is calorie-free. Fact. It's hot, so milkshake and ice cream is calorie-free. Fact. I love it. Ali Isles, you're absolutely spot on. I couldn't agree more with you. I couldn't agree more. That's funny. Ali, I'm perfectly cooked. Temperature is perfect for this. Yeah, we're all perfectly cooked. Here in Texas, it's extremely hot. You think it's hot in England? You want to come to Texas? You can't go outside. Outside, you're banned. No one goes outside. Anyway, very good choices. I adore McDonald's. It's warm in London today. Sucks to live there. Google is still falling down. I'm down 0.8%. I've just about allocated my full position that I want to be in with Google. Don't really need any more. Well, the markets didn't hold at all, did they? Nope, they didn't. We're preparing for the earnings reports in the morning. That's why. Johnson & Johnson in the morning, pre-show. We're going to be here 15 minutes early in the morning. Here is our Johnson & Johnson. If you want to click like and share already, here it is. We'll be live with you in the morning, pre-show early. All right, so if you want to be part of it, the link is in the chat right now. There it is. All right, I've put it in the chat for you. So join us early in the morning and we'll have that for you. All right. And then Netflix is in the evening. So it's going to be a very, very busy day tomorrow. Looks like a breakout. Pelosi husband bought calls. I've been saying that I think the market will pump up to the after hours. Why is it only USA and Canada who use Fahrenheit? God knows. No idea why that is. Robbie Cooper. Have you seen TRT? Well, the markets didn't hold. The rest of the world uses Celsius, right? Yeah, centigrade Celsius. Okay. Let's look at our crypto right now. Ethereum is going back down again. See, I made a video about this. People all get excited. It's all going to suddenly pump up. And it went back down again. Dutch central bank has fined Binance, the world's biggest crypto exchange, 3.3 million for offering services in the country without registration. Bloody hell, that's how these companies are operating. Some of them, it's just scam after scam after scam, and people just buy into it because it sounds exciting. We've proved that, haven't we, over and over again. Dutch central bank has fined Binance, the world's biggest crypto exchange, 3.3 million for offering services in the country without registration. Incredible. The USA was actually supposed to start using Celsius, but then World War II happened and everyone forgot about it. I like that, James. That's funny. They forgot about it. World War II, they forgot about it. Bitcoin SV. Now, Bitcoin SV is coming up when Bitcoin BTC is going down. That's interesting. All right, Enphase Energy up 6% today. Solar. How many times? Solar. The world is burning. We need to turn off the coal fires right now. It's already too late as it is. Enphase Energy, solar. We need free energy. There it is. Keeps going up, 26,000%. Can I ask, has anybody bought Enphase Energy? I've been banging on about it for weeks. We're now up 25,000%. Has anybody bought Enphase Energy? Does anybody own Enphase Energy? Am I the only one who keeps talking about it? But anyway, it's up 6% today when everything else is down. They have to be so bloody difficult, don't they? American measurements. Says Ali Isles. These are the quotes. I'm just reading people's quotes here right now. No, Bill hasn't bought it. Anybody else? Anybody? Roll up. Get your Enphase Energy. Ginkgo Bioworks come back up again. Tilray Brands is holding up 3% today. We're all getting ready for the earnings reports tomorrow. We all know earnings isn't going to be great. Tesco is up 0.71. Target. What about Tesco's, everybody? When we come home in October to do the Kickstarter for Virgin Orbit, we used to pay £1 for delivery at Tesco. It's now £3. In my book, that's 300% inflation. Forget 8% or whatever it is. 300. 300. Flippin' heck. Anyway, Walmart going back down. Rolls-Royce holding up. It kind of does that, right? We've all got to learn that now with Rolls-Royce. Barcodes all day long. It sets its position in barcodes. PayPal going down again. We're all preparing for the earnings report tomorrow. What I think is happening is try £4 plus on Tesco. Well, we've actually got it. We've got the app. We've found spots for £3. There are spots for £3. So get out of it, Paul. We're on the app every day. Maybe it's even dearer in your area then. But in Cornwall, it's £3. That's the dearest one. Well, I think there's some more, but if you go for the 4-hour window and you book ahead, the cheapest you can get is £3. There are more expensive ones. You're right. But anyway, no, I just heard about Enphase today. I will look into it. So, anybody else got any shares in it? Am I the only one? Joby held pretty well today. It did. You're getting Uber. Probably. Yeah, Joby's all right. Joby is up when everything else is down. Yep. This might be a little opportunity now to buy it. I'm not, though, because I've got enough allocation in that kind of stock. It doesn't matter how good it is. You can't own everything. And I'm hoping now for a bounce into the last half an hour. Rio Tinto is trying to come back up, and so is the S&P. Look, if you look closely, starting to bottom again. Let's see if we can get it to go up. Where is Rob? Rob Brennan. Rob Brennan, his situation is most certainly, I hope he sold. He did sell, didn't he? I think he sold at 770. Didn't he say that? Where is Bubble? I don't know where Bubble is. Hopefully, he went away on a cruise ship and never returned, did he? Right. Virgin Galactic is coming back up at the moment. Loads of people missing. A lot of people are on holiday. There's all kinds of stuff going on. Yeah. It's a very quiet show this afternoon. Welcome to the furnace, James. Alicia, Patricia, Paul B. Right, we are starting to get a slight upturn into the last dying moments of the day. Now, for those of you who didn't hear earlier on, we are back in the morning early. We are early, 15 minutes early tomorrow. Johnson Johnson, grab a whiskey, grab a beer, cup of coffee, depending on what time of the day it is for you. And we are doing the earnings report. Okay, here comes a quick commercial. Skip the commercial and come right back to me. Here we go. All right, there we go. Just taking a short break. We're back again with you now. Now then, if you've just tuned in for the now, if you didn't get your, by the way, I said this morning, if you didn't get the email, I'm here, Dexter's here. Most important person's here now. If you didn't get the email this morning, 5 people didn't get it, on Sunday, because I ran out of email allocation. I have now upgraded my emails, and it should be fixed for the future. Here is the email, but this is the web link. So everyone can get this, even if you didn't sign up for it. I want to make sure everyone is able to enter the competition for Friday. So there it is. There are 3 competitions now. 1 on Twitch, 2 on YouTube. And you don't need to be on Twitch to be in it. You need to be here on YouTube for the draw on Friday for the mug. And if you use your Amazon Prime account, you can subscribe to me on Twitch for free. And then every first Friday, there will be a cash giveaway or a prize giveaway for free. It won't cost you anything at all. Right, James just reported. I like Alial's comment. Thank God you're here, Dexter. Phew, I know. Can you imagine the show couldn't continue without Dexter Sickles, could it? By the way, Dexter Sickles is on our screen. Have you seen him? Oh yeah, he's very, very important. There he is, look, right there, look. There he is, there's Dexter and there's Bill. Oh look, I've got my hand working now. I've worked how to do it. Look at that, why couldn't I do that earlier? What? Earlier I couldn't do it. Now it's easy. Look, there's Bill. Why couldn't I do that earlier? Easy. There you go. Love Island's on in 15 minutes. We're going to be working for Love Island soon, sponsoring it. I write the wheel, I suppose. I write the wheel. Not quite sure what that means. Anyway, Ali Isle, some of the best minds in crypto, all saying and providing good information. Crypto is set to fall further, then it will bottom out. And that's when I shall buy in. All right? So I'm ready to rock and roll. Bitcoin, waiting for, I just keep buying it. When it goes, look, my average is 19,000. That's it. Paul, let me know when to buy, please. We'll let you know. Just do what I'm doing. Buy $100 every time it drops 1,000. That's the way to do it. Because you can't time it. No one knows. No one knows. Just refuse to pay. Once you pay, this is the way I do it, right? Once I pay 20,000, I refuse to pay any more than 20,000. I'm now looking to buy it for 19,000. It's kind of like the reverse of what stocks should do. You're not looking for it to go up. You're looking for it to go down. And every time it goes down, I try to buy it cheaper than the last time. If I end up buying some for 19,000, I'm never going to pay 20,000 again. Someone said to me, oh, you will. You'll buy it when it's 100,000. No, I won't. I'll own enough. And I've got enough now. I've got $300 of it now. I'm happy now. But if it goes to 18, I'll buy 100. If it goes to 17, I'll buy 100. If it gets to 10,000, I'll probably buy 300 or 400. And that's it. Once I pay 10,000, I will only ever buy it at 9. And then I'll only ever buy it at 8. And that's it. Now, if it then goes to 1, forget it. It's all over. It's rubbish. It ain't going to go nowhere. And then I've lost the minimum amount of money, right? That's the way I see it. Paul B equals crypto guru. Paul B is, oh, I see. You don't want to talk to me. I don't blame you. I ain't got a clue. I just make it up. To give you an idea, I've not bought anything older other than NFTs for 4 to 6 months now. We'll enter into crypto again in the autumn. There you go. Well, you see, I'm kind of hedging it both ways. Paul B is going all in that he's not going in. A bit like market profit. They're not going in, whereas I have gone in very small and increase it as it falls down. That way I'm not trying to time the market. I get a little bit each time it goes cheaper. That way if it does turn around, I'm in. Best of both worlds. I'm not trying to time the market. I think it's impossible to time the market. On stocks it's hard enough. Crypto, it's virtually impossible. You're only guessing. So to me it's just maths. You're just hedging your bets really. Anyway. Ali, family miss you every time you go away. We always do. Paul, wow, that's a long time. Must be bad. We're waiting for Love Island. Everybody's watching Love Island. I'm the only one not watching it. I'm too bloody busy doing these shows for you, preparing, sorting out the studio, cleaning the studio, updating software, fixing problems, making thumbnails, promoting marketing. Yeah, you go and watch the telly. You go and watch the telly, eating your ice cream and your McDonald's. And I'll sit in here getting ready for Johnson & Johnson in the morning. Do you think this show just happens by itself? Do you think I just plug it in and it works? Do you think I just turn up when you turn up? No. Right, we got 12 minutes to go. Where's the market going? It's still going down. Right. The only thing I'm interested in is Google. The only thing I'm interested in is Google. Google's getting cheaper. And I'm really virtually fully invested in Google now. I don't really want any more of it, to be perfectly honest. I'd buy a bit, but not much. Hi everyone, Rob Brennan. Rob Brennan, please tell me you sold some SPCE at the top. Please tell me, I think you did, didn't you? I think you sold at 770. Tell me you sold at the top. I write the songs. Oh, we got a request here for Barry Manilow's I Write the Songs. I do a very good I Write the Songs. I could do a very good what do you want to call it? Barry Manilow impression. Oh yes, I can. Who's going to request I Write the Songs? Mr. FOMO himself. Ladies and gentlemen, would you please welcome? Yes, but then I went all in at 760. Okay. See, Rob Brennan, the trouble is with your strategy is, if you don't mind me saying so, is you haven't yet made your mind up whether you are a long-term investor or a day trader. You sold out, and the reason you sold because you made a profit, and that was brilliant. You made a lot of money. That was brilliant. But then you bought back in again at a fraction lower. I never do that. If I sell a stock, I want a discount before I come back in again. See, true. He's even admitting it. You got to work out, are you a long-term investor on a stock or a day trader? And if you're a day trader and you make a nice profit, I think you made, what, 6 grand? 6 grand, right? So you've bought back higher than you paid the first time if you'd stayed in. It only really works as a day trader if you buy back when it drops significantly, like it has now. So, but that doesn't matter though, because you've still made profits and you're not buying in at 760 thinking it's going to go to 770, have you? You bought at 760 with it going to 100. So it doesn't matter, does it? Not really. It just means you've got to hold a bit longer now, whereas I'm still in profit even though we're down. So it's a different way of doing it. If I was day trading this, I would be holding for bigger swings. That's the way I'd be looking at it. It's FOMO for earnings. Yeah, but we got a couple of weeks yet. Calm down, Mr. Mannering. Calm down, Mr. Mannering. We got 2 weeks before flipping earnings. Talking of earnings, Rob, we're back early in the morning. Melissa Campbell, good morning to you. We're back early in the morning. We've got this show in the morning. It's the earnings for Johnson & Johnson. So join us in the morning. You can already go and like the video, share it, leave a comment. Mike was the first. That's why Mike holds the trophy of You're the Best. Only him and Paddy April own that. Anyway. Melissa, hello. How are you over on Facebook? How are you this morning, this afternoon, this evening, wherever you are in the world? Welcome, Melissa. And we're all family. Yes, Rob loves profit every day. He does, and he's making profit every day. He just might price himself out of the market because you gain one thing, you lose another. Dexter Sickles is going for a request by the looks of things. We've got us, but hopefully Sir Branson will pump the stock for me. There we go. Hopefully he will. Let's have a look. Dexter Sickles, is he going for a song? He's going for a £10 super chat. $10 super chat. Boo, it's not space. Okay. What's he doing? Joby, getting cheaper. Dexter loves a super chat. He does. He does like a super chat. He likes having his name on the screen. He likes looking good. And we like when he likes looking good. We like when he likes looking good. There we go. And he likes the little sound it makes. Is he going to go for a request? Is he going to go for I Write the Songs? Let's do a little celebration. Right, we've got 8 minutes to go. The markets are trying. I'm only joking. I love the debates. Choose one. Made in New England, Mandy. Oh, there's some great ones, isn't there? We'll do it. You want a Barry Manilow song though, right? Let's do a celebration. Here we go. Celebrate good times. Come on. There you go. I love doing that. It wakes everybody up, right? Wakes everybody up. Cheers, everybody. Thank you, Dexter Sickles, for that. Appreciate it. Rob, don't get FOMO about super chats. Yeah, do. Do get FOMO about super chats. Yeah, fear of missing out. Absolutely. The love trader. Right, we're trying to come up now. We're trying to come up. Virgin Galactic's trying to come up. Okay, we didn't do Take On Me this morning because our friend from Korea disappeared. Mandy, there it is. Dexter Sickles, are you going to make a request for the lovely Paddy April? Joby Aviation. We're coming up now. Let's have a look at Google. Is it bottom? There we go. Starting to come up now. Send in a 99 pence one. That's plenty. You tight-fisted old bugger. All right, 7 minutes until Love Island. Do we work for Love Island? I want commission for Love Island. I'm promoting it every day. I should work for Love Island. Love Island's on. Can someone go and watch it? I need a commission off Love Island. Can you go and message them, please? I want a commission. All right, anyway. End-phase energy going back up again. Ginkgo Bioworks. We're pushing up now in the last 5 minutes of the day. Last 5 minutes of the day. It's certainly going back up again. I thought it probably would. Let's see if we can get the counter up on the screen. Right, there we go. We're counting down 5 minutes. Portfolio, we're down 0.78. Did anyone take profits today? I know our friend Rob Brennan did, but did everybody else? Let me just check the Discord this afternoon. We've now got, by the way, over on Discord, we've now got 254. We're over halfway now for the first milestone, or the second milestone. I think it was 100, but nothing happened at 100. They upgraded it to 500. When you get to 500, you can be public or something like that. You can be searchable, which really helps, apparently. But they told me that. They told me that on what do you call it? Kickstarter. Nothing happened. No one made the video go viral, did they? No. Not the video, the Kickstarter go viral. That didn't happen. Only stocks I say about go up when I buy, like Rio for Martyn. There. Rio Tinto and we're dancing in the sand. Woo! There we go. Rio Tinto. I'm very happy now. I'm at 1.54. I've got a good position. I've got, what do you call it? Dividends. So I'm happy. The S&P is coming up. The overall portfolio is coming up. The only thing I'm really interested in right now is Google able to pick up some more, but it looks like we're going up now. So I would have to go down like 2 or 3% at least to really make a difference now. Now, Johnson & Johnson's interesting because we're down 2%. That's quite a drop for Johnson & Johnson. Last quarter, we were here, we covered it. If you remember, it went down and then popped up on the quarter. What does Rio Tinto do? Rio Tinto's mining. And it's been around since 1962, I think it is. A good company, pays one of the best dividends I've ever seen, 13%. The worst dividend was 5%, but a very, very good dividend. Anyway. How many do you have? I have 31. You do not have 31. You can't have 31. How come you have 31? Satoshi Nakamoto is from the UK. Yes, he is. Play, how you doing? It's me from Cornwall. How are you, Play? Lovely to have you here. Play. Rio, I can't believe it. You do realise I'm going to buy more now if you start that game. I will buy more just to bury you. I cannot have it. Everyone around the world, come on, Yahoo. This is your celebration. Celebrate. Come on. Right. I think space is just down because of the market. Yes, of course it is. I mean, we've got everything's down the same thing. I'm not bothered at all. I am not worried. I'm still up nearly 8%. I've got an average of 671. I haven't been trading. Well, you have. But mind you, you've got money in your hand. I've got no money. 31. What's 31? Yeah, I know. Just wake up tomorrow morning and I'll have 32. I'm telling you that for nothing. I'll tell you that right now. Johnson & Johnson. Now, look. We got 1 minute to go. Here comes a timer. Last chance. What's going to happen? Because Nakamoto used British English. Is that right? It's all in space. Here comes the timer. Go. 1 minute. Would the real Satoshi please stand up? Say please stand up. Say please stand up. Will the real Satoshi stand up? Nakamoto. Would the real Satoshi please stand up? Say please stand up. Say please stand up. Would the real Satoshi stand up? Nakamoto. Greatest world created in human history. What is? Bitcoin? I don't see that. Not right now anyway. It was at one time. Not right now though. Here we go. 20 seconds to go. I heard space was filing for bankruptcy. Oh, don't even say such things. Right, here we go. Here we go. All right, then let's go. 4, 3, 2, 1. The bell has now gone. The bell is now gone. Now then, I just said to you, go up in the after hours. Look, we're up in the after hours. We've got the earnings report in the morning. What do you want to do with this stock? I'm beating the Queen too. You're beating the Queen as well. Everyone's, don't worry. Me and Queen will form a consortium. We'll form a consortium and we'll buy in together. We will pool our money together, our resources, and we'll beat you. We'll beat you. Right. I said we would go up in the after hours, and we are starting to do that. My overall portfolio is coming up. Rob, you will be half a millionaire. There we go. Rio Tinto is flat right now. Yo, bro. Right. We've got... Is Dexter Sickle still here? We got day trader of the day. There we go. I said it would come up in the after hours. There you go. No one listens to me. No one listens to me. And we've got some Barry Manilow for Dexter Sickles. Are you still here? He's giving me a super chat. I'm going to do him a super song. Rivian is going up. Lucid's down in the after hours slightly. Polestar is up slightly. Arrival is on a wash at the moment all day long. Arrival down slightly. Right, we've got day trader of the day, and we've also got after the what have we got? What's it called? Diddly do. Anybody remember what it's called? Yeah, day trader of the day. That's the ticket. Day trader of the day. I don't even know what I'm doing on my show anymore. I've lost the will to live. Dexter Sickles is very hard to deal with. He keeps coming in and out. He makes requests and then he disappears. And then I just don't know how to cope with him. Dexter Sickles, just 21 million of scarce supply. Yeah, we know play. We know. We've got Bitcoin. We've had Ethereum. We've got BSV. We've traded it. We've made money on it. We're out of it right now, though. We're going to buy it back when it hits 10,000, though. We think it's going to go down. All right? And we're going to buy it back when it goes down. And I refuse to pay any more than my lowest price. I only buy stocks when I make money. I only buy stocks when they go cheaper. I don't buy stocks when they go up. That don't make any sense. You should already be invested in and then enjoy it long term. Martyn is in the house. Oh, yeah. Where is he? Where's Dexter Sickles? He's a flipping nightmare, he is. He comes on in, he gives you a super chat, he says, sing me a song, and then he buggers off. You don't know what's coming or going. I bet he keeps muting me. He thinks, I'm sick of him, I'll mute him. So I'm just going on a screen, trying to get him to pay attention. Target! Look at Target just popped up. 2.5%. What is that about? What is that about? There's no earnings, is it? Let's have a little look. When's the earnings? No, August 17. Look at Target. 2% after hours. It's lovely when you become a rapper, Martyn. Oh, it's amazing. I don't... Dexter who? I don't know how you live with the excitement of what I do. Tesco's is coming up. Canoe down 0.25% in the after hours. On is coming up. No, it's not. Yes, it is. No, it's not. Yes, it is. Tilray Brands is okay today. Had an okay day today. Ginkgo Bioworks is down right now. Here is Enphase Energy, just down slightly, but we're up nearly 6% today, so I'm not worried at all. BSV is coming back up as well. And Bitcoin, good old Bitcoin's going down again. My average is 19,000 now. Lads, I go drink a new black beer with strawberry flavour. Love it. Play comes in and goes, lads, I go drink a new black beer with strawberry flavour. In other words, you have a Guinness and blackcurrant. Is that what you're telling me? Is that what you're saying? Is that what you're saying? You're having a Guinness? I need to know. I need to know what's going on. Right. Where's Dexter? TRKA. Bye all. You're going to miss Mandy. You're going to miss Barry Manilow. It's very, very good. You're going to miss it. But there you go. Alias. Bye all. Love Island time. Ta-ra. See you later, mate. Ta-ra. TRKA. Troika. Let's have a little look. for the lovely Queen of Celebrating. Here we go. Troika. Buy all. There we go. TRK8. This is for... All right. We're up 4% in the after hours. Very nice. It's a marketing service company with leveraged data and technology to deliver integrated branding, marketing, media, and analytics solutions. It offers solutions to its clients through operating units such as Troika Services, Troika Design Group, and Mission Media Holdings. There it is. Yes, I agree. A freestyle king, in my opinion. There you go. Troika is up 31% today and 4% in the after hours. Very nice indeed. This is a position for the Queen of Self-Liberating. There we go. Snakebite. There you go. Love it. There's Play. Look. Play. Peter Maycock. Snakebite. There you go. Peter Maycock's here. Mr. Peter Maycock. How are you, Peter Maycock? Why aren't you a member yet? Oh, you are. Oh, no, you're not. No, you're not. Why are you not a member yet? All the things that we do, all the benefits you can get. Why are you not a member yet? I don't understand it. I'm confused why you're not a member. It's beyond my comprehension to even think of it. Anyway, we got 3 cash giveaways this Friday. I can't believe it. 3. I'm like, how much more can I give away? So there you go. Here is here's the invitation for the newsletter. It's free to enter, free for all. Every Sunday a newsletter comes out with all the giveaways in it. And all we got to do is look down the bottom to the competition section and follow the rules, and you'll be in our cash prize draw, free prize draw. We got a great giveaway right now on Twitch. If you use your Amazon Prime account, you can become a subscriber on Twitch for free. And every single month, on the first Friday of the month, we give away a prize. If you are an Amazon Prime member, Alicia and Patricia, are you Amazon Prime members? Because it's free. It won't cost you anything to be a subscriber, and every Friday, on the first Friday of the month, we give away a free prize. This Friday, we're giving away a mug. There you go. Now, if you are subscribed to the newsletter, you didn't get it. 5 people didn't, because I ran out of emails. I've now fixed it going forward. Here is the email web link. If you didn't receive the email, here is the email web link. I don't normally promote this, because you have to be a subscriber, but I'm giving it to you because some of you didn't get it, and I don't want anyone to miss out on the... giveaways. How's space doing in the after hours? I will show you. It's going sideways right now. It's going sideways. Right, where's Dexter Sickles? Dexter Sickles asked for Mandy. What's the point of doing it if he's not here? I don't understand it. I wanted it. Dexter Sickles. Does anyone know where Dexter Sickles... Could someone knock on Dexter Sickles' head and say, Dexter, you made a $10 super chat for a Barry Manilow song and then you buggered off. So... I've got to end the show right now. I'm going to give it a 1 minute. So let's do day trader of the day. Go to your main portfolio. Here we go. I am down. Only a little bit. I'm not bothered. Down 0.79. Down 0.79%. There you go. Right. I'm down 0.79%. I'm going to give you 1 minute on the clock. Are you ready? We'll see who the day trader of the day is. If you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. And give us a thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up if you've just tuned in. You ready? And let's do it right now. I'll wait for the first score to come in. And then I will start the 1 minute clock. Because some of you are behind me. And I have no idea what's going on. It's absolute chaos today. Chaos, I tell you. We've lost Dexter Sickles. He's been giving me super chats. And now, here we go. Right, here we go. Our first one's in. Now then, I'm down 0.79. I'm very happy with that. Don't mind. I popped up earlier. It shows you sentiment. Shows you where we're going. Right, here we go. 1 minute. Chicky, 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 all right, Rob Brennan. Rob Brennan is now down 0.79. Sorry, I'm down 0.79. I am down 0.79. He is down 1.9. He's down 1.9 today, so I am in the lead. Does anybody beat me? There must be somebody who beats me. Where's Dexter Sickles gone? Where's he gone? Chicky, chicky, chicky. Chicky, chicky, chicky. Here we go. Any more advances on 0.79 down. Any advances on that one? Let's ring the horn. Right, okay, let's have a quick look. Down 1.9. This is the score to beat, down 0.79. Anybody beat that? Anybody beat that? Remix, Martyn. That's a remix. Oh yeah, it's a mega mix of the Millennium. In Eminem, go away. Martyn's era has just begun. Oh yeah, forget it. You've no idea. The era of Martyn Lucas, the rapper, is just beginning, folks. Right. Where's everyone's score? What's going on? I think everyone's having Virgin Galactic's going down. I'm still up 7.5%. I'm not worried. I think everyone's having technical issues this afternoon. I think the world is under attack from a global epidemic, pandemic, cyber truck. Right, okay. Fusion. Finally. I was going to say that was it, too late, but I'm going to be nice because it's like, what's going, it's only me to beat, so I'm going to be nice. 0.75. Looks like Fusion's a winner. I don't know what's going on. We've got technical glitches. Technical glitches. I don't know what's going on. Lucid. Going up now. Polestar is up nearly 1% in the after hours. Looking good. Oh, Arrival up 2% in the after hours, folks. Arrival. We're having a few little surprises this afternoon. So it looks like we're going to give the prize to Fusion. Fusion. So everybody, I want everyone to celebrate and go mad and go crazy. I want huge amounts of love and appreciation. That's after I sold my space. It would have been a bit more. So would have been up a bit more. There you go. You would have been up a bit more. So here we go. So let's thank you for your honest trades. Give them a thumbs up. And here's the sound effects. Sound effects. There we go. Martyn, real Lucas Shady. Yep. With the real Slim Shady, please stand up. Say please stand up. Say please stand up. With the real Slim Shady, please stand up. Nakamoto. Can I see the mediocre Yeah, you can have it. I mean, the mediocre fireworks. Do you know how hard I put this together? Unbelievable. The mediocre fireworks. I don't think there's anything wrong with my fireworks. Especially today. Today there'll be 4K extra. Right? I don't think there's anything wrong with them. But here come my fireworks. Oh, yeah, yeah. And light that firework. Go! Everything's slow today. It's like I can't control anything. There we go. Oh, man. What is wrong with that? What is wrong with my fireworks? I don't see anything wrong with it. I don't see anything wrong with it at all. I really don't. If you don't like my fireworks, too bloody bad. I like my fireworks. I like them. They're much safer than the real thing, I'll tell you that. You don't need to put them in a box. Anyway, Dexter Sickles, we had a request for you lined up, Mandy. I was going to do Mandy at the piano. I just can't understand it. He's like Mr. Elusive. We got Rob Brennan every day trying to give him a $99 sponsorship program to sponsor his website. He's going to pay for it and he never accepts it. He gives me a super chat for a song and then buggers off. I can't work him out. Does anyone know how he works? Does anyone know where he is? It's a man of mystery. That's what it is. Right, we've got to go because tomorrow morning we are back. Johnson & Johnson earnings reports. Who's going to join me in the morning? Who's going to be here for the Johnson & Johnson earnings reports in the morning? Hope you can join me. Hope you'll be here. It'll be a big day in the morning. Here is Johnson & Johnson right now. If you want to give it a like, if you want to leave a comment, here we go. Here is the he has kids. That's what it is. He's chaos. There is the earnings reports in the morning. Brick Mark. Me. What do you want? What's me? Oh, Brick Mark's joining us for the morning. There we go. Go and click like, leave a comment, share it, Get involved. Now, we go 15 minutes early in the morning. Mushroom. What's a mushroom? We go 15 minutes early in the morning. I'm going to restart my computer in a minute. Seriously, folks. My computer is going so slow. It's an absolute nightmare. I know I'm over broadcasting today in ultra 4K, but this is absolutely ridiculous. I can't control anything. I've lost control of my own show. It's chaos. Anyway, let's have a look at Johnson & Johnson, because in the morning, there we go. It's going up 1.17. So in the morning, we've got an earnings report. We expect it not to be great, but this company always delivers. It did very, very well. Let me just think. 3 months ago. So what was that? July, April, May. Yeah, April, May, June, July. Yeah, April 19th. Let me have a look at this. April 19th, 3 months ago. April 19th. Let's go to April 19th. Look, this is what happened last quarter. This is worth noting, right? April 19th, March, April. All right, April 19th. It rose all the way up. Right, April 19th was here. And it rose for a couple of days and then dropped off. Over the following month, but then everything did. It's a hard one to read, isn't it, really? Because everything's going down again. So I don't know. For me, I'm already in. I'm holding it. The dividends are great. The way I see it is this. If I get a really big discount, I'm not looking to trade it. I'm not looking to trade Johnson & Johnson. I'm looking to buy some more if it goes, because I've only got 4.3. I could double my position on Johnson & Johnson. I could double it. If it goes down by 4, 5, 6, 7%, I think I would double up. And if it goes up, then great, I'm up. I don't really care. Either way, I win on that one. So that's the way I'm going to play that for the morning. So anyway, we're off right now. I've been holding as long as I can for Dexter Sickles, but he's playing with his kids in the sand or on the beach or wherever he's doing. So Dexter Sickles, you have missed your Mandy song. I was going to play it for you, but I can't play it because you're not here. So what can I say? Anyway, I'll see you all back in the morning. Of course, we've got to roll those credits, so let's roll the credits now. Let's bring it up. Here we go. Doobie, shadoo doobie doobie doo wah, doobie doobie doo. See you back in the morning, folks, for the opening bell. But we're going to be early tomorrow morning, so join me early. Bow, 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 ba doo doo. Let's roll those credits right now. Tomorrow is another day. It is indeed. I'm just checking my emails. 114 played, 86. Did we get any more? Oh, no, it needs refreshing. Don't worry about it. See everyone tomorrow. Hoobie-doo. Boom, boom, chicky, chicky, boom, boom, boom. You're all behind. Too late. Here comes the credits. Let's see who did something. Let's see if it works today. It keeps leaving out the super chats. Here we go. Stars of the show today. The moderator always does so well, the Restream bot. Dexter Sickles, there's the super chats. No one became a subscriber, no one became a follower, and we had one super chat. Not a great deal to talk about. I'm hoping in time that this little list will get more exciting, but these are our stars of the shows right now. Dexter Sickles gave us a great request for a song he's not even here to listen to. See you later, Martyn. I'll see you later. See you all tomorrow. Have a rock and roll day. Looks like the markets are coming up now. You may have noticed things are looking better. I'm just looking at Johnson & Johnson right now. Things are popping up quickly. Yeah, Virgin Galactic is up 1% in the after hours, everybody. Virgin Galactic is pumping up right now in the after hours. See, I never sold it. I'm in no doubt. I'm in no fear. And Johnson & Johnson is just doing nothing. It's just sitting there. All right. See you back in the morning. Have a lovely, lovely evening. Have a lovely, lovely morning. Have a lovely, lovely life. See you all back in the morning. Let's do it again. Let's make money. Let's do stuff. Let's make requests for songs and then disappear. We can always do that. Take care of yourselves and each other.